If you purchase the optional rolling stand, this will show you how to assemble that, and it's a real simple process. So normally the stand is packed in the crate underneath the rotary cabinet, and what you'll do is just take those parts. There's a top and a bottom piece for that, and we'll take off all of the wrapping. And I like to use the crate as sort of a pre-assembly area. So this is showing where the wheels will mount, and we'll do that in a little bit here, but this just gives you an indication that the wheels are going to mount there. So we'll go ahead and flip this brace over onto the other side, and we'll go ahead and assemble it with the L brackets. And these L brackets, you'll see little holes there for them. So just screw all of the L brackets in, and you can leave everything finger tight for the moment because we'll tighten everything up on the final pass. Now we're ready to attach the tabletop, and what I do is I normally leave it upside like that and then just sort of place the tabletop in position there, and you'll see a couple of guide rails on the bottom which will actually align to some screw holes. So I usually just put it together like that and then start screwing those in finger tight just to secure that top into that position. And we'll do all of those first, and we can leave those finger tight as well. And then we want to lay down the tabletop onto a level surface. I usually sort of just use the packing material to protect the face. And now we can sort of go back through there and tighten everything down really tight. That gives you a good square for the table and for the legs. And then we'll be ready to attach the wheels. When your machine is moved into the position where you'll be using it, whether it's on the stand or on a dedicated tabletop, you'll want to install the foot pads that are included on all of the feet. And this will help keep those components from sliding around. And if you're using the stand and the rolling stand, this will help secure those components on top. You might hit a rock as you're rolling it along, and that could cause some slippage on the machine. So make sure you install the foot pads on both the rotary cabinet and on the laser machine, and that'll keep it safe. Now it's just a process of removing all of the zip ties on the belts. There'll be one on the right and the left, and there'll also be one on the gantry. And you'll want to be careful removing those that you don't cut into any of the belt surface right there. And the guide rails should be lubricated. This is normal, so they should have a good coating of lubrication on there. And in the back, you can open up the laser tube area and pull off the protector on top of the mirror heads. And now we're ready to move on to installing the laser tube and the chiller.